Alright, so looking at this sample here, I have a list of names, the gender, marks for 3 exams or tests or whatever. Alright, total, average and grade. But let's look at count first, alright? So maybe the first question, look at how many students are there. So if you look at how many students are there, we can just count on any numbers. Alright, the difference between count and count A is count is meant for calculating the numbers, where count is by name. So number of students, if you look at using the number, you can use count equal count open bracket from this to this here. Alright, C2 to C9 close bracket, you get there are 8 students here. But if I use the same formula on the name, count open bracket on the name or so-called alphabet, you won't get any results. So if you want to use the name, you must use something called count A. Alright, then we get numbers. But remember, when you're counting anything including numbers. A 0 is also a number. So let's say I put a 0 here, it's still a number there. Alright, so unless it's empty, alright, then it becomes 7. So this empty space will not be counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Unlike just now when I put a 0 here, alright, there are 8 students. Okay. Next, I want to count how many female or how many males or how many boys and girls in the classroom. So we can't use count, we can use a count if with conditions. Alright, so we just equal count if open brackets. You see, start with range, then the criteria. Where is the range? This is my range. For count if, right, it can be number or text, so no problem. Okay, but this is definitely my range. This is my range, and comma, what is my criteria? My criteria here is F. Okay, it's F. I can either put F. Okay, do you realize that I have the speech mark here? Because I'm looking at text. Alright, so I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 girls and actually 4 boys. Can I copy paste? Alright, no, I can't, because when I copy paste it down, alright, it's a B10 or B3 to B10. Remember our absolute referencing? Okay, so if you want to choose to copy the formula down, you must make sure you have the absolute referencing there. Highlight all this, function F4. Alright, then can we just copy paste? I can't copy paste. If I copy paste, yeah, the formula is the same one because it's still referring to the F here. So in this case, if I want to copy down the formula, I can refer to this A12. So instead of F, I put here A12. A12. Alright, so when I copy the formula down, from A12 it becomes A13, which is referring to M. Alright, so by any chance I change this, let's say my girl is a female. Okay, we'll change this automatically. Alright, that's the difference between count A and count if.